charcuterie board? I just put my hand in ham.
Not like it.
You don't like it? Can we just make it?
Yeah.
And then you guys can eat? Okay, let's try that again.
Hi everybody. Welcome to Mother Rabbit's kitchen. We're going to teach you how to make a tray with...
Do you guys remember what it's called? A tray with food. So do you remember the big word?
Halushuba.
Halushuba? No, that's close.
Charmendez.
Charcuterie.
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 We should...
It's punch. Charcuterie really is just a
Meat board.
word. It's for cold meats. For some reason, over the past 5 years or so, everybody was like obsessed with making charcuterie boards, but really turned them into just big snack boards. So when you hear or search a charcuterie board, you're gonna get this like mega snack board where everybody's gonna get so fancy and have all these different things. I guess if you include any kind of cold meat, yes, you can call it a charcuterie board. So I thought it'd be fun to make a charcuterie board with the girls. This is gonna be their dinner, also for the boys. Sometimes we do this, I'll just like throw some cheese and nuts and veggies and fruit on a board. I got some extra special things tonight, just for fun. And I thought it'd be fun to have the girls design it. Usually I do it and then I put it on the table and the kids just gobble it up.
So we have types of cheese, carrots and apples, blueberries, fudge-covered pretzels, and along with apples we have apple chips, caramel apple chips, and we have some plain pretzels, and I think over there cashews.
Huh? So the thing about making a charcuterie board or just a snack board is you want to make it really visually appealing, which means pretty to look at and fun. It usually requires a lot of different types of foods, which can get really expensive. Take advantage of the buy one, get one deals and just the sales at your grocery store. Like these were BOGO, these were BOGO, these are just delicious, so they didn't have to be BOGO. And a couple of different things were on sale. And I'm using the other things that we got for BOGO for a more of a grown-up charcuterie board that I'm making for our young adult group that's coming over later after the kids go to bed. So the kids are going to make their version. Now, I also thought it would be fun to try to teach you guys how to make like a meat rose. Have you seen me do that before?
Yes.
Okay, when I do that with the salami. Now, the kids don't really like salami, right? I got salami for the young adults, but I got ham for you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of like fold in the shaved parts so that does not show. Then I'm going to fold it over again so it kind of makes like a little triangle. It's almost like a little petal, and then you're just going to put it like this, and then we're going to layer them. Yep. Okay, so girls, you can take a slice of ham.
But how do you form it into that?
So take a slice of ham. I'll show you. So you take a slice of ham.
And you fold.
And just and just try to get the shaved part, the part that's like falling apart. Yeah, you can just kind of fold it. If you roll it, it's gonna come out. And then and then just like that.
Like that.
And then you're going to overlap it with this one. Yep. Whoa. Okay, that was fast. Okay, so you're gonna overlap it so that you still see this part. Yep. Okay. So we want to keep going in a clockwise motion so that it's going to be like kind of like rose petals. That's perfect, Sky. Yep.
And it might come out eaten. It looks like.
Yeah, they're going to eat this quicker than we put it together. That's for sure.
Yeah.
All right, you want to make one? All right, what is happening? Okay, so then we're just going to keep
overlapping.
Yep. Keep overlapping
until it gets smaller and smaller and smaller. Well, thicker and thicker and thicker.
Yeah. We'll see how it comes out. When we flip it over, we'll see.
Yeah. Well, it looks like a rose right now.
If you press too far down, it's all going to go to the bottom of the glass. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Ooh. I can't even see where you guys like. Okay. This is super meaty. What happened over here? Okay. This is going to be interesting. And we're going to flip this over, and we're going to see Should we make it like in the middle, like that'll be like the centerpiece?
Yes.
Okay, I kind of want to do this, just so it doesn't. So what do you think? Is it gonna look pretty or what?
I think it's gonna.
Yeah, look, and then you can open it up. Look at that.
It looks unusual.
Unusual.
It looks neat.
Okay. I didn't look. Okay. I am gonna show the camera. That kind of looks like a rose, a little bit. A rose that's been kind of tossed by the wind a little bit, but I think it looks beautiful. And then when you guys eat, you just pick out a piece, and you guys.
Oh, and
you
I
have-
know we can take these 4 cheeses.
Okay.
And we can put them around. Like
Yeah,
that.
and I left the peels on these cheeses because I know the kids are going to want to peel them. We've never had these before. The kids have been begging me for so long to get these cheeses, and I always say they're too expensive. We don't want to be perfectly symmetrical. Do you guys know what symmetrical means?
Yeah, you do. I know.
What?
You have the same thing on both sides. Because if you make it like this.
You know how butterflies are
that's-
symmetrical?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like it's not supposed to be like this. It
Yeah.
may not.
So maybe do like a little like pile on this side of the cheese,
Or
and then
maybe,
you can do.
Maybe you could do 3 over here and 1 over here.
Yeah.
You can make a paw print.
Or you can make a paw print charcuterie board. And then you guys can arrange the apples and the carrots. Now keep in mind, like you could do something fun with the apples, like you can like fan them out like that. You guys can make faces. I don't really care.
You know I'm not gonna eat the carrots. I'm not gonna eat.
You are gonna eat the carrots. I have a good dressing that you can dip them in.
Oh, okay. I'll try.
So what's happening here is you're kind of spreading everything out, and then we just don't. It's too much. So
I know. Ooh, how about we make a pattern? Wait.
you could, yes. That is something that we're looking for. Something that is like has height to it. Yeah, and like maybe you want to just kind of bunch them together and like fan them out like that or something fun.
Scooch it over here.
Yeah, that's good. The blend of colors I like.
And then we
What are
can-
you making, a house?
On top.
You can do like, or you can build a fire, like a carrot fire,
Yeah.
like a little carrot bonfire.
Ooh, and this apple could be the happy face.
You can make a happy face.
The
I
alien
guess
face.
I should just stop trying to control everything and let you do it how you want.
Ah.
When you have little foods that might roll off of the board, you might want to get like a little bowl. Where do you guys want to put the bowl and fill it with blueberries? Okay, so fill it with blueberries. Oh yeah, here's one. I'm kind of loving our ham rose. Okay, yeah, that's enough blueberries. I'm going to use these blueberries for the young adult charcuterie board later.
And we can decorate the sides with
Yeah.
cashews.
Yeah, and then
Or
we
maybe
have
we could-
apple chips. We're not going to use all of them. Maybe
We're gonna
just.
put some cashews here.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Careful, we don't want to get the ketchup crumbs on there.
Wait, can we
Ooh,
put
nice
3
thing.
blueberries here? Like,
Um,
no.
sure.
That takes up too much space. No, it's not gonna take up too much.
I wanna
I'm just
taste
gonna put up
these.
something like this. Do you like it? Oh, I wanna taste one.
Oh my gosh, you're so good.
Yummy.
Oh my gosh. That's delicious. I love that. It almost looks like just like a few little blueberries just like fell off the side. Just like a little kind
You
of
can see,
natural.
why don't we bunch
Blueberries
them
just fell off the blueberry bush right off the side. Yeah, that looks good.
Ma,
What?
I think when we're eating on camera makes the other people who are watching hungry.
Yeah, and the great thing about it is
That'd
if
be,
they want to do this along with us, they can just go in their fridge, pull out whatever fruits and veggies they have. If they have any meat
or
or
carrots.
nuts or little fun snacky snacks,
Carrots.
they could literally, as they're watching this from their home, be like, I want to make a charcuterie board. And
But
they
they're
could
big.
make their own little meat rows and all these other things.
Gina, that's gonna be touch. There.
Okay.
Maybe like that.
All right, so
Oh my
we
God,
gotta put our
I
apple
love
chips
these.
and our pretzels and our, oh, we have 2 kinds of pretzels. One has white fudge on it, so that's kind of necessary. All right, let's do
But they're
our,
like different pretzels. They're like flat and
Get a
done.
few of these pretzels out. Not too many.
They're salty. Those are.
Now remember, with the charcuterie board, you want different heights. You want it to be like, look natural, but also
I could put this for like the ashes.
Sure.
Or if we crumble it up.
Yeah.
That'd be funny.
Yeah.
You
That's
like-
cute. I like it stacked like that, super high.
There. See?
Okay. Okay.
Can I eat one?
Not yet.
Oh.
We're gonna wait until everybody, because Andy and Camden are waiting for dinner, so we really, okay. You know when I'm cooking dinner and you guys are like, I'm hungry, what's for dinner, when's it ready?
Okay.
That's what's gonna happen in a minute. You're gonna know what it's like to be me. Just sniff it. Okay, you're taking up lots of space on this board and we still have a few things to put out.
Apple chips.
Let's do some of these.
I want to taste one.
You may not. No, wait.
Thank you. They're sweet. But there's one.
Just a few of these. We don't wanna go nuts.
We could put some on the cheese. What?
This is definitely a kid's charcuterie board.
So kidsy.
It's so kidsy.
Yeah.
I just have to like take lots of deep breaths and inhale some air and exhale my control issues. Yep, a little pile over there. I love it. You can put like pile here, pile there. I think that looks good. You guys designed this all on your own. Oh, you're gonna sprinkle? Okay. A little sprinkly dinkle. Those apple chips would taste really good on top of the salad too. Now, I made a really good ranch dressing. Do you want the ranch dressing for the carrots?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. So this, I actually did a video last night, which will also be up.
Why don't we
On
put
the channel.
some with the apples? Tasty unique.
This is my semi-homemade ranch dressing.
Oh, I tasted that before.
You have?
In the salad.
Oh, right, I made you guys salads. All right, so I'm gonna put a little bit of that there. And then we gotta find a spot for it. Okay, like that.
Yeah. Like that.
Okay, oh, okay, this apple chip is in the way. Okay. So like
Okay,
that.
it's done.
Okay, so I'm gonna show.
Can we taste one of the?
Wait.
Okay.
Those are crazy good.
It's good.
All right,
Yeah, yeah.
let's show the board.
Yeah. Be careful. We don't.
I will be so careful. We don't want everything falling off. Whoops, just one thing. That looks really, really, really pretty. Good job on your first charcuterie board. Here we go. Dana and Skylar made this for everybody. Cam, you want to eat? Okay, you get up there. You get in there, Cam. You get in there. You get in there, Cam. Oh, you went right for the pretzel. Okay, I'm gonna sit you over here so you can see. You guys did a good job designing it, and you're doing an even better job of tearing it apart. Good job. Oh, you got it. Oh my goodness. Oh, we didn't instruct Camden on how to keep these. Look, it's cheese inside. It's like a present, a cheese present. You don't like it. Who wants this cheese?
Look it.
Very soft.
It's a cheese alligator.
It's kind of like mozzarella. You don't like it? Okay. Do you like the cheese?
Yeah.
You taste it? This one? Jada, do you like yours? All right. Baby Bell cheese is a thumbs down.